didn't see, they're kind of blended in with the sand.
Hey you guys, it's Channon Rose, and in today's video I thought it would be fun to show you guys my self-tanning routine. I know there's a lot going on in the world, and I asked you guys what kind of videos you wanted to see, and you guys asked for some more like normal, lighthearted videos. Everyone's staying inside right now. We're not getting very much sun, so I thought, why not do my self-tanning routine? That way, if you guys are stuck at home also, this is something fun that you can do to kind of make yourself feel a little bit better. So I'm going to show you how I prep and how I self-tan and everything that I use. So if you want to see how I get my natural glow, keep watching. So the most important thing for me to do before I self-tan is to really exfoliate and prep my skin for the tan to be able to last a long time and for it to look really natural. So what I do is I make sure to exfoliate. I'm using the TanCeuticals exfoliator. I really like this one. It's, you know, specially formulated to work well with the TanCeuticals self-tan. So I just make sure to scrub really well in the shower, make sure to get all the places I might forget, like my ankles and my feet. And if for some reason you don't happen to have an exfoliator on hand, you can go ahead and use a loofah if you have that. And if not, you can always use a washcloth because that also works. Then I will go ahead and rinse that off really well. And then when I'm done rinsing that off, I will go ahead and shave. Okay, so once I'm out of the shower and I'm all exfoliated and shaved and I'm super dry, I'm gonna go ahead and just shake up my self-tan. I'm gonna squirt a bunch onto my mitt and I'm just gonna rub this all over my body like lotion. And just make sure to blend it in. This stuff like seeps into your skin really quickly and it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. And I'm just gonna continue putting this all over. You can like feel how moisturizing it is when you put it on. Your body just like glows. All right, so I'm gonna continue putting this all over my body, and then when I'm done, we will come back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all developed. So they also have a self-tanner for your face, like made specifically for your face. I like to also put that on, and I put it on with the mitt. I'm not wearing any pants right now. I took them off, so it's easier to self-tan with no bathing suit on. But for the video, I had to put a bathing suit on. Sneaky peeky. I also make sure to exfoliate my face in the shower. I didn't say that, so I'll say that now. Another really cool thing you could do is you could take the mitt and almost like you would like contouring your face, you could take like a little drop and like contour your nose, and it's like self-tan, so it's like semi-permanent contour bronzer. And then I like to put it all, make sure you blend it all, and I push it up like into my hairline so there's no like lines and everything's like seamless and blended. It literally looks like I went on a tropical vacation when I'm all done. Bronzer, you know, anywhere you would put bronzer. Then you wait a few hours. That literally just moved on its own. There's ghosts in my house. Okay, so once my self-tan is like completely dry, I put like a loose fitting like dress or t-shirt on, and then I just chill for a few hours. You can kind of already see like I'm definitely getting darker already. Woo! That tan is kicking in. So I'm gonna go relax, watch some Netflix. One of the things I love about the TanCeuticals self-tanning lotion is this actually is infused with mango butter and vitamin E, and it really helps to moisturize, repair, and firm your skin. And it has a coconut scent and it smells like vacation. It doesn't have like a self-tanner smell. I really love this. You not only do you get like a super bronze, like natural glow, but you also have super soft skin and it feels really nice. So I'm trying to show you guys in different light because sometimes my exposure on my camera will make me look a lot more pale than I am, like it blows it out. So this is actually the true color of what the tan looks like. This is after 2 days of tanning, and as you can see, it still looks really nice. I've been showering, but just being really careful not to rub too hard when I get out of the shower. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. I love this self-tan, would highly recommend it. It does last for around 5 to 7 days. This is what the face tan looks like. I don't have any makeup on, so you could really see how glowy the face tan looks. It's not streaky or orange. It's super easy to apply. It dries really quickly. It also blends really easily, and I really do notice a huge difference in the quality of my skin. Like, it just improves it because it has such healthy cosmeceuticals in it. Also, I just want to say a huge thank you to TanCeuticals for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to get some of your own TanCeuticals, go ahead and click the link down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys all. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy. Stay safe out there, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah!